Guess what? One of my subscribers sent me a box. This big box with fabric in it. And I'm gonna open it today. I'm gonna do an unboxing. Danny Zenz says that they don't like unboxings. They hate unboxings. Love YouTube, but hate unboxings. I'm sorry, Danny Zenz. I have to do an unboxing because this is the first time anyone has ever done this for me. And I am extremely grateful. And I had to share it here because I want the person who sent it to me to see how much I appreciate it. And yeah, I think this is a good way of showing my appreciation because I want you to see what somebody sent me. This person, I don't know if she wants me to say her name. I don't recognize her name in relation to any comments, but she says she's a subscriber. She wanted to send me something and she did, and I couldn't be more thrilled. So I'm gonna open this box with you. Kind of had a tiny peek at the first item on the top, but the box is not open. And I'm gonna just open it really quick and show you all the pieces that are in here. And I'm gonna make something out of everything that's in here. I don't know what I'm gonna make. Obviously, I don't know what it is. I'm gonna make something though. And you'll see, you who sent it to me, my sweetheart subscriber, thank you so much, and stay tuned for the things that I am gonna make. All right, let me just get in here. I'm being very careful not to damage anything. This is a heavy, big box, and like I said, I cannot even believe that somebody took the time to do this, to put together a box, package it up, and mail it, and it's heavy. So, thank you. All right, let's see. First item. Oh, this is so pretty. Luxurious lacy fabric, oh, with all this embroidery on it. Oh, it's beautiful. I absolutely love it. And in the email she sent me, she said happy sewing. Oh, definitely. I'm definitely gonna be happy sewing. Okay, I'm not gonna show it for too long because I don't want the video to be too long, because you know. But oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. This is absolutely amazing. The pattern, the little print on here is so cute. It's lovely. And then it has this border. Oh, the ideas of things I can do with this, and it's so much of it. It's weighty and solid, very good quality material. It's perfect. And look at the texture in the fibers. And there's a lot of it. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait. Whew. And then there's this. Ooh, love this purple. Here's this one. This is wonderful. It's soft, like almost like a scarf, like a thick scarf. It has like a nice flowiness to it, and just wonderful. Love it. Ooh, I can see a nice jacket being made from this material here, this maroonish, like a deep magenta or deep purple. Oh, and it has, this is what it looks like on the other side. Oh my goodness. A nice houndstooth pattern, a mini houndstooth. I've never seen the houndstooth this small. Focus. I've never seen houndstooth in this small of a pattern, and it's gorgeous. It's thick and quality. It's folded up nice, but it's a big, nice big piece. They're such large pieces, I can do so many different things with them. So I'm very appreciative to have these. And then here's this green. There's the texture on this one. And everything is such a good quantity. Like, I can do so much. This looks like about 3 yards of material, maybe even 4. Whew. And everything is nice and thick, so for its perfect timing for fall winter. I see some things coming up, so I'm gonna be sharing once I come, you know, reflect on all the things that I have here, look over everything a little more closely and give it a lot of thought. I'm gonna come back and share with you each time I make something. I'll show you where the fabric came from. Of course, I'll refer back to this video and I will tell you exactly my plans for each and every piece. Wow, this is beautiful. Ah, it's so good. It's so good. It's so thick, and then it's just plain on the inside, so it's so, the weight of the material, like the weight of it is just beautiful. You can tell that this is good, solid material, and there's so much of it. I can't even get over it. I cannot get over that. Wow, look at this. Thick, kind of like a blanket material. Oh, I can see a suit being made out of this. And it's such a good amount. Once again, about 3 to 4 yards. And can definitely do a lot with that. And that's all for the fabric. But at the bottom here, I am seeing that there is a pattern. A McCall's pattern. A vintage set. Oh my goodness. And it's in my size. Lovely. So I'm absolutely gonna make this pattern using some of the fabric right here, and I will share that in a future video. Of course, I'll be using each and every piece. I love each and everything that's here. I can almost envision some things, but you know, I don't want to state anything right now, but stay tuned for future videos where I will be diving right into all of these things, and I cannot wait. Thank you so much. You know who you are. Again, I don't know if I should say your name, but if I talk to you between now and the time that I post this, and I can include your name or your YouTube name or something, I will put it in the video. Also, I don't share my name online, but she knows my name now, so I don't want to say her real name, but if it's okay, I would share her YouTube name. So again, thank you so much, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.